Hello guys, you can see this. If you just joined me on the live trade which I just finished, you will see that I made a lot of money from there. So we're opening multiple positions because we want huge profits. You can see how much we are making here, 200 and 400 now. So bring your account for account management, VIP signals. We'll make a lot of profits for you. We'll do account management also. Like and subscribe on the channel, share it to your loved ones. You can't make the money alone, guys. You can't make the money alone. You need to scatter, and you need younger ones, friends, relatives to make the money with you together. Okay, yes, we're having some huge loss here. Don't worry yourself, all will be recovered. Don't worry. So I'll be using 80. All will be recovered, guys. Don't worry, all will be recovered. You can see this is here, is running. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. It will just be like this, and let us see how the movement of the market. This market is a buy market. Okay, the market is a buy market. Just watch the movement and let us see what happens. Don't forget, guys, to do account management. Bring your account as small as it is. We'll flip it. We'll, just like the last trade I made. This is a total profit for today. We made $1,755. So if you can see our trade history. We only had 2 little minuses, and the rest are all massive profit. You can see that, guys. So don't worry yourself about this. It's going to cover up, because from an analyzation, it's showing us that the market is going to do a buy. Okay, it's going to do a buy, but these are just the pullback of the market, if you know what I'm talking about. If you want to learn trading, you want to learn it from beginning, you want to become an expert, don't forget to message us. You can see we are running low. We are running a two-way run lost, and we are covering up. Don't worry yourself. You can see what is happening here. That's what is happening. So don't worry yourself. Allow it to run, and let us see what comes out of it. You can see what is happening. You can see, but don't worry. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, so that you can know how market moves. Okay, market has a lot of pullbacks most times, a lot of pullback, but the direction is what you're actually getting. Don't forget to have a free signal group where you come in and get free signal without stress. Free signals. If you want to go in for VIP, no problem. We'll also give VIP signals as well, but don't worry yourself. Just follow us up, guys. Just follow us up, and let's see what happens. So you can see, guys, I didn't pause any part of this trade. I let it flow, I let it run. I did not pause any part of the trade, so which is far amazing, guys. It's far amazing. And thank you guys for being here with me. You can see how much we've made. You've seen how much, $700. So let us close some positions out. Okay, let us allow it to run since it's having some few retracements. So let it run for some time. We're gonna let it run for some time and let us see what we can cover up. Okay, we'll let it run for some time. Let us see what it can cover up. You can see that we just hit the 1000 peak mark. We just hit our 1000 peak, so we'll be closing, and I'll show you guys the settings I'm using for this video, so do not to skip any part of it. So now let me show you our daily profit. We made 3010, and this does not amazing, guys. 3010, like in less than no time we made 3010 in less than no time, guys. You can see what we closed with down there. You can see what we closed with. You can see the market is still pushing. So when I give a signal, a signal is always right. When I give a signal is always right. So give us a thumbs up if you're following us in this channel. Subscribe in the comment section below. Let us see what we can get. Let us see. Comment with us. Join our free signal groups to make more money with us, guys. You can see the peak of how the market is hitting, because I want to show you guys some settings, which is why I want to officially I close the trade, because I want to show you guys the settings that I'm using. Okay, now for these settings, you guys know you go to the F sign, and this is tariff, and we are using the we're using actually the 1 minute time frame. So if you want to know how to analyze on this particular account, on this particular trade and this particular strategy, message me. Don't forget to message me, guys. The link to my WhatsApp contact will be in the description below. You just message me and let us see what we'll do. So on the settings, this is how you go in, this is how you see it. We have the moving average, relative strength index, Oshimoku Kenhayo, accelerator, escalator. I'll have MACD, also have relative strength in there. So if you want the settings for this, guys, message me. Just message me, guys. Message me for it if you want the setting for this. And thank you, guys. Thank you very much for watching.